There's banged the door. Been hearing for the past half minute outside my window. Same crew. Michael, Rico, welfare crew. They can't come by without harassment of some sort. You could clearly hear them in the video. And this woman who never watches these kids, she has 6 of them, I've been told. I have never, ever seen this woman with any of these kids. They're always unsupervised, some of them under 6 years old, free to roam the streets night and day. And it sounds like Malik is with them, which I'm not surprised. Another unsupervised juvenile delinquent vandal that fits the Georgia definition of unruly child. And what has TPI management done about this? Graystar property? Not a damn thing. 6 months later, I'm still waiting on that phone call, TPI management. Have not seen you. Have not heard from you.